It's 2 a.m. You're exhausted. Your shift ends in 6 hours, and you still have to make a presentation before morning rounds.
What if I told you AI can do that for you in under 3 minutes for free?
The real problem? Making a PowerPoint is painful. Being a medical student, I've come off 24-hour emergency duty shifts, zero sleep, managing critical patients all night, and right before I could rest, my senior goes,
Don't forget, case presentation tomorrow morning.
tomorrow, which was in 4 hours. And it's not just medicine. Let me ask you something. Are you a college student pulling an all-nighter before a seminar? A teacher who has to prepare lecture slides for an 8 a.m. lecture? A business person who just got called for a last-minute client presentation? We all have that one moment where we're staring at a blank PowerPoint slide and the cursor is just blinking, mocking you. The design, the content, the formatting, it takes hours. Not anymore. Today I'm showing you the best free AI tools that will generate your entire PowerPoint presentation with design, content, layouts, everything in literally minutes. No design skills needed. Let's get into it. There are several AI tools out there that generate presentations for free, but most of them won't let you download or edit them freely. In this video, I'll only be covering tools that allow you to download and edit without any restrictions. And at the end, I'll be revealing the ultimate AI tool for this. So make sure you stick around till the end. Let's begin with our first tool, Kimi.com. Open Kimi.com in your browser. You'll be greeted with this interface, and on the left side, you'll notice several options. From there, click on Slides. Here you have two options. You can either type in a topic or upload your own file. Let's start by typing in a topic. I'll go with AI tools. Now keep in mind that we get 3 free generations every day. Go ahead and click the arrow on the right side to begin. The generation starts instantly, and within just a few minutes, the presentation is ready. Let's go ahead and view it. Just look at that quality. The design, the layout, the content, the graphics, everything looks incredibly polished, and it was all done with just one click. Now here's the best part. You can edit everything if you'd like to make any changes. Fonts, colors, wording, it's all fully customizable. Once you're happy with it, simply click Download and you're good to go. Now let's try generating a presentation using our own file. I've taken a sample document about RDS. Let's go back to Kimi. Click the plus icon, upload your file, and enter a simple prompt, something like turn into slides. You can also specify the number of slides you want, or simply leave it as it is. Hit the arrow on the right side, and within a few minutes, your presentation will be ready. Let's view it. Just look at the details. The graphics, the structure, the content. Every single topic is covered, and all the information is pulled directly from the file I uploaded. You can edit everything to your liking, and once you're done, simply click Download, and that's it. Now let's move on to our second tool, Gamma.app. Once you open and sign up on Gamma.app, you'll be greeted with 4 different options. Generate from a prompt or topic, generate from text, generate from a template, or generate from a file or link. Let's try the first option. Once you click on it, a new interface will appear. Here, you can select the number of slides. The free version supports up to 10 slides. You can also choose the aspect ratio for your slides. Now let's type in the same topic we used before, AI tools, and click on Generate Outline. Within just a few seconds, the outline is ready. Now click on Generate, and boom! Watch the magic of AI unfold as your presentation is built right before your eyes in real time. Just look at how beautiful the slides have turned out. Here as well, you have full freedom to edit everything. In the top left corner, you even have the option to add more slides. And of course, you can change the theme whenever you like. Now let's try another generation, this time using plain text. Using the same file from before, simply copy and paste the text into Gamma, then click on Generate from Notes or an outline, followed by Continue to Prompt Editor. Within a few seconds, the outline is ready. We have plenty of options to explore here, but let's keep it simple and click on Generate. Once again, you'll see the presentation being built in real time, and just look at the stunning slides that it's created. Once you're satisfied with all the slides, head to the top right corner and click on the three dots. You'll see the Export option. Click on it, and a dialog box will appear where you can download your presentation in whichever format you prefer. Now let's move on to our third tool, FlashSlides. Open FlashSlides, and just like before, you have the option to either input a topic or upload your own file. Let's continue with the same file we've been using as an example. Upload the file and click on Generate, and within just a minute, your slides are ready. The result is clean, simple, and elegant. And up in the top right corner, you'll find the download option. Simply click on it, and your presentation is saved. It really is that straightforward. Now let's move on to our next tool, Slidesgo.com. Open Slidesgo.com, and this time let's try a different topic, History of AI. You'll notice you have the option to choose between a short or long presentation, and you can also attach any files if needed. Click the arrow on the right to proceed, and you'll be redirected to choose a theme. Select any free theme from the options available and click Continue. Within a minute, the outline is ready. Now click on Generate Presentation. Within just a few minutes, you'll be presented with the option to download. Click on Download, and let's take a look at what it has created. Just look at the slides. Clean, subtle, and beautifully structured. And since it's fully customizable, you can go in and tweak anything you'd like to make it your own. And now the moment you've been waiting for. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the ultimate tool on our list, NotebookLM by Google.
The ultimate tool.
Open NotebookLM.Google, and by the way, an app for this tool is also available on your phone. You'll be greeted with a very clean and simple interface. Click on Try NotebookLM and sign in using your Google account. Once you're in, click on Create New. Here you can upload a source file, paste a link to a YouTube video or any website, import from Google Drive, or simply paste plain text. We'll go ahead and use the same file we've been using throughout this video. That way we can also compare which AI created the best presentation. Once the file is uploaded, you'll notice a set of tools on the right side. Click on Slide Deck and a new dialog box will appear. Here you can customize how you want your slides to look. You have access to hundreds of languages, you can choose the length of the presentation, and you can even provide specific instructions if you have any, such as preferred topics, outline structure, or any particular content you'd like included. If you're happy to let the AI do its thing, simply click on Generate. Within just a few minutes, your slides will be ready. Let's take a look. And just look at this. This isn't just a copy-paste of the file. It has gone above and beyond, creating a presentation that's far better than most of us could put together manually. If you'd like to make any changes, click the pencil icon to edit. Otherwise, click the three dots and download it completely for free. Now, the reason I'm calling this the ultimate tool goes beyond just slides. Look at the studio tools. You can generate your own podcast, create a video overview, build a mind map, and so much more. It's genuinely in a league of its own. If you'd like a complete, in-depth tutorial on NotebookLM, drop a comment below and I'll get one made for you as soon as possible. Try these tools. Drop a comment telling me which one saved your life. And if this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe, because I've got more of these coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.